Hi, Siska Ridwan here from Stephen Funky Family. You guys can search my Instagrams on Instagram, Steve Funky Fam. That's my idea. I'm gonna write it down. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be my first video of being a mother, and on this first video I'm gonna show you a little bit of our house and how we baby proof our house as maximal as possible. And you guys can ignore my English because I'm not native. You know, I just happened to marry an American, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of my house with my little guy here. Check it out. So that's basically how we try to maximize this crazy house apartment styles as baby proof as possible. Yes. Did you see that monster is just mocking me? No, he's running away. I hate these bangs. Well, my husband likes it, so I don't care. Yes. Yeah. Do you want to say something? So yeah. Just like what I just explained before. He's already like start climbing our gate. So this is the gate from the outside doors. He still, well, if he like really push it very hard, it will open. See? Because this is just a Costco thingy. And also this. But this we bought separately. So he already like climbed half of this gate. So we tried to put some baby locks in here. This is where we put our coats and stuff like that. And we put baby lock in here. But there's a leverage from him for him here, see? So he will just like put his little fingers and then push, pull really hard, and then this opened. We keep our remotes here, so he really likes the remote. So I have to move to the glass. I mean, in this area. Anyway, so that area where we all put our crabs and also our baby. Oh, I'm sorry, baby, you're not crab, but I still can't figure out how to baby save that area because so many like not useful furnitures from the landlord, like the bed frame, very stupid, and so many things. Sofas, too many sofas for a very small apartment. So I just try to like make sure all in the kitchens are great, because I think in the kitchen is more interesting because he often like stand in this corner or like sit in this corner watching me cooking or watching me prepare all his food, and you know, so he kind of love being around here. It's much more interesting than the other side of the world. So yeah, I mean like the kettle over there, it's supposed to be in here. So he really likes to grab that because there's a blue button on there on the kettle. So I have to move that there because it's a little bit far from his hand to reach. And they opened. I just like so move these things. This supposed to be in here, like very straight like this. But he likes to grab it, and then like I'm afraid like he like to poke the holes of the plug in here. So I just move like this straight behind the, you know, like bottle thingy, because then he's distracted to this instead of the cable. For rice cooker, it's warm, you know, it's not like cooking, it's not gonna burn his hand. But this is the problem, he likes to turn this around and try to find the click, like, you know, wait, see, he really likes that sound. So the thing that I do is just I unplug the cable so it's not going to work. It doesn't matter if he's like turning whatever. I just need to make sure that I remind my husband to you know, like make sure this is not like 40 minutes or like 100 minutes or whatever before he's putting anything inside here. And the other things that here is just his bibs, nothing really dangerous in here. In here is just, you know, like his snacks and everything. If he wants whatever to make a mess in here, it's safe, not a problem. He already know, not going to like, you know, snap or like smash his finger in between of the, you know, like this. He already know to do that. This is your snack, honey. Okay, whatever, he can do whatever he wants in there. And the other things in here is just like our toilet tissue, stuff like that. And let me show you how, because he's going to use that area, so I'm just gonna, you know, walk around. And here we just put our like rice, nothing really dangerous in there. But here we keep all the like all the glasses, like, you know, that can breaks and dangerous bowls and stuff like that. Let me show you. You know, like those kind of thing is going to be dangerous or hurt him if it breaks. And in here we have another 3 in here, and he can play around in this area because it's just his utensils, his bowls and stuff like that. Here is just my breast stuff, you know, bags and stuff like that. But in here we keep all the medications, you know, like alcohols, rubbing alcohols and stuff like that, that if he open it, it's going to be a huge mess and dangerous if he swallow it and stuff like that and blah blah blah. And he's not really like reaching this area. If he reach whatever, he's just gonna get the empty bottles, some crap, my speakers, and he's not gonna reach these things. So we keep all like, you know what I meant. And just like that, just like, see, he can do whatever he wants, nothing really crazy. It's just a mess, and I'm just gonna clean it up later. And this is how is our dining table, which is very ridiculous. It's so huge for a small kitchen, and stupid chair, and they have 4, and with his gigantic high chair, imagine. So we don't really have a space, so I'm just gonna have to think about how to remove these things. He never really like eat in this dining table anyways. He's eating with the TV on, so yeah. So I just put a little bit far away, and he only have a fork here, which is, it is dangerous, but of course with supervision, yeah, of course we always supervise him if he use our, you know, adults utensils, something like with iron, metal, something like that. So it's like far away from him. And the kitchen, I mean on the stove area, we just make sure it's empty because he's actually kind of reached this. So every time he's here, I just need to watch like he's not touching this area or like touching these things. He didn't really like know how to do this, but he already kind of like touching this thing, something like that. And this is where we put our pots. He's not gonna grab it because it's so heavy, or if he wants to, he's just gonna smash the floor or whatever. But in here we put our knives. Let me see if I can open it. Can't even open. We kind of have to try so many types of baby locks, because I think this thing is not really super powerful, because, you know, you basically like grab this, he can open everything. So here where we put our, you know, like our knives, something that very sharp, scissors, you know, so it's safe. So we're gonna open it. If he's open it, like he tried to, whatever he do with this lock, it will give some times for me to realize. I'm very fast to know, or, you know, like kind of recognize if he's doing something terrible or what. And this is just, you know, not gonna kill him. And here is where we put our rice and whatever. He can drink it, it's healthy for him, or he can eat the rice or whatever. Not gonna kill him. And here where we put all our chemical supplies. So it will be like lock the whole things. You have to be very organized and maximize everything for, you know, such a small house like this. And the outside is we live in the 8th floor, which is very crazy for the babies. But the good things from this house is alhamdulillah. This is actually pretty sturdy, like really strong. I saw him, he tried to reach these things, like he grabbed with one finger like this, but he can't pull it because it's really hard. Even we are trouble to do it, so that's good at least, right? So he's not going to like jump to the washing machine or whatever, do whatever, you know, crazy stuff, and then blah blah blah. And here actually kind of confused because we have a refrigerator, but you know, who cares, it's just something like that. But if you didn't close it, if he forgot to close, it's going to give a sound like bleep 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 bleep, whatever. But I think we'll just know, and then we'll just see. He's gonna spend hours in there rather than watching TV, so I think this is a very good idea. And here we have a pantry where I keep some of baking stuff, storage container, but I think I have to lock this because our containers made from glass, I don't want him to grab this and then drop it because it's so heavy. And some and some other things that maybe not really good for him, but I try to put the blender really high. Let me just turn the camera. See, he can grab this area, but nothing really crazy in there. Here he still can grab in this area because he's really tall, but that's a problem. If he can't have a good grasp, whatever, like hold onto the container, is going to drop, it breaks, and then it's going to be disaster. And here we have our bathroom here, and the cleaning thing that have to be there, otherwise my husband will get crazy when he tried to clean the house and he couldn't find where is my simple green, whatever. So I tried to put this. We just killed one cockroach last time, so I just put everything's very far away from his reach. So this is very stupid, like the design. I think this is because this is the whole old house, so they try to do like built-in furniture to maximize the space or whatever. Anyways, we put all of our, you know, like household stocks in here, like my razor, you know, all of these things. Face mask. We're still dealing with the pandemic in Taiwan. Well, Taiwan is pretty safe actually, but we just want to have things in stocks. Chemicals, alcohols, soap, whatever, sanitizers here. So this is basically our stocks. It's safe for him. I mean, he's not gonna reach it. Yeah. And in this thing, not sure, but it's just try to sell them. And the bottom part is just crap, so do whatever he wants. Nothing crazy here. If he able to open the door, the bathroom door, and when he's come inside, nothing crazy. See, he's not gonna reach that. That's my wax steamer. So he didn't know what's going on with this, so we'll just make sure not to show him. But I put all my husband's razor or stuff like that. He often charge his his buzzer or something like that in here. So today I just moved it back in here. So husband, please remember we have small babies at home, okay? So this is basically where we put all of the chemicals, whatever. He's not gonna reach this, so yeah. He really loves these things. I don't know why, but today he's just ignored it completely. So we just put all the crap in here. Yeah, yada yada yada. He's not gonna eat the soaps. And just a hamper in here and the towels. I don't know why it's there. I think he grabbed it. We put it here, so he probably grabbed it. Well, anyways. And then that's it. That's how I try to baby proof as much as possible into this house in Taiwan. But we do have a very beautiful views actually in front of our building. Yep, so that's it, the vlog, how to baby proof half of your house, your kitchen. So that's how you do baby proof your kitchens, your bathroom, some part of your house. Let me know if you like this video, if it's useful, you know, the idea, or it's just for fun. If you like, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, you know, write something down below in the comments, you know, box thingy if you want to see more videos related to babies. And another small baby is right there sleeping. She's today is July 18th. Yeah, today is July 18th 2020. She's still 1 month and a half, I think. Yeah, I just gave birth in June 2nd. Anyways, let me know if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Write something what you want to see the next video, maybe. Say bye-bye. I'm not gonna close until say bye-bye. Bilang bye-bye dulu, nak. Ooh, bye-bye. He doesn't care. Anyways, you see how your house is much more fun than TV shows. So do something about it, moms. I think this way is much better. I'm just gonna let him do whatever he wants. Okay, see you guys on the next video. Bye.